Can somebody educate me on what the hell is going on? So I'm watching the game, watching Brady do Brady. So this is not a planned video. I would go live, but it sucks the way let me make myself appear down here. But the way the algorithm kind of works is when you do go live, you don't get as many views. It just works like that. All right, so 8 minutes ago, as soon as I seen this, it say just in, Binance CEO says the company will liquidate its 500 million FTX position because they won't support people who lobby against other industry players behind their backs. What the hell is going on? What did FTX do? Let's read this again to get a understanding because I'm confused. Binance CEO says the company will liquidate its $500 million FTX position. So does that mean they have $500 million worth of FTX tokens? Let me know in the comments if that's what that means. Position because they won't support people who lobby against other industry players. Let's see if some of the comments tell me anything, cause CK for president, interesting. Just liquidated my FTX account. Wow. Let's see the proof. Then we can believe in FTX is shady. Forget him. I'm gonna move my crypto, delete the app. So I guess FTX CEO or something just did something crazy. Okay. Let's see. Crypto Twitter. Not live. Okay, so I ain't talking about nothing. Let's see. Let's go over to good old Google. FTX CEO. What's going on? Sam Bankman-Fried. What did you do, dog? Hold on. I think we got action, y'all. I don't want to see it on here. Nobody have their real account name. It should still take me to this. So let's see it this way. 4 hours ago, posting. Let's open this up. Posting about what everyone wants to know more about. Okay, hold on. Share my name. Seriously, Sin is awesome. It's the Omni box for money. Soon we'll merge blockchains to the same box. Excuse me. Right now, sending money internationally is a pain in the ass. People are paying 10%. So they basically have like a Cash App where you can send money, or like a Zelle. Okay. So, what am I missing? Where is the drama? Should have put 5. Okay. Here we go. Okay, if you're looking to minimize the market impact on your FTT sales, we'll happily buy it all from you at $22. Should have put 500 mil in a recipient missed opportunity. Oops. Who's true that? I'm so confused. Yes, and FTF Sim Future is all anyone can talk about today. All right, let's look at the prices. Let's look at some price action. Because I don't know. Over here, we're down 2%, close to it. FTT. Oh, with that drama, that got you crashing, baby. Crashing. So they must know about this early. So it must happen right about here at 11:05 a.m. when everything crashed like this. Oh boy. So do any of you guys have a position with FTX token? Because this is going to be some good drama. Some good trouble. to talk about over the next few days. Let's see percentage wise over here. Man, 500 million is a lot. 7% down 11%, 8%. All right, so once y'all get more information, let me know, because I'm walked away from the game to try to see what's going on live. Talk to y'all soon. All right, while I was editing the video, we got more action. So let me come on back. All right, so watch the guru said the source right here. So the owner said, this is the owner of Binance, liquidating our FTT is just post-exit risk management. Learning from Luna, we gave support before, but we won't pretend to make our love after divorce. We are not against anyone, but we won't support people who lobby against other industry players behind our backs. Onward. People who follow Cam, okay. Some people in this crypto Twitter are literally trying to turn this into some kind of war like Nintendo and PlayStation. Not a war or battle. We do some house cleaning and then move forward. Making big moves. You're a legend. It's not hidden secret what FTX did last year at the time of the large funding round. But can Binance still be good enough to simply take the OTC deal after? Okay. Totally. I would gladly pay $9 for this app. Time to sell. You can always rationalize your... Oh, man, this is about to be some good drama. All right, cool. Y'all just want to at least show y'all that.